Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can convert Excel to Google Sheets. So this is really quick and easy. So the first thing that you will have to do is you will open your Google Sheets, and once you're here, you will just have to go to your file, and then you will click import, and then now what you will do is you will select a file from your device, which is right here. Click upload, and basically what you will do is you will choose your Excel file, which could be either XLSX or XLS. It really depends, and then you will just have to select how you want to import it. You can either create new spreadsheet, replace current sheet, append to current sheet, and then you will just have to finally click import data if that's the terminology for your version, and your Excel file will now be fully converted into Google Sheets. And yeah, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.